guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper, on Monday June the 12th 2023. We have no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the newspaper of last Thursday, June the 8th 2023. I've already solved one puzzle. Yeah, the letter Sudoku. Two puzzles remain: the Sudoku with 0 stars and the tectonic with 1 star. Let me continue with this one. The 0 stars, number 6583. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot, 32 printed digits. 0 stars. So I need to be faster than, 40 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Here, 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. We have 8 in this big square. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 4 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers: the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next on that column. Only 2 places left for 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then, let me see, the 8 in this column, and 8 in the middle column. So the column next down, only 2 places left for 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between second row, only 2 places left for 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8. All right. And now, then, 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between second row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there, we see 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this column, middle column. So no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Then, yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second row. For numbers: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1. 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Right. 2 and the 5. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers the 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here, 4 in that column, no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. Alright. 7, 3, 5. Well. 1, 7, 9. Need a 9 here. 9 and 2 are missing. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this row, last row, 1 in the row above. So on that row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes at there. 2 in this, we have a 2. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so they'll come next. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes. And they are finishing 10 minutes. Wow. 10 minutes. Well, it has 32 printed digits, so need to be faster than 14 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.